Here is a quick setup guide, Niche Form Sync Pro. After you purchase, download the plugin file name nicheform sync pro.zip. Here you can see here's the license key. Okay, and then in your WordPress dashboard, go to the plugins, add new, upload plugins, select the plugins, take this one, open, and click install now, activate plugin, and then scroll down, go to the settings, Niche Form Sync Pro, click that one, and here is the Gumroad license. So check your email after you purchase your activation key is delivered automatically after you purchase. Here is your key. Copy. Go to the WordPress settings. Right click. Paste. Under website. Select your website. Example is one. Copy. Right click. Paste. Save. Save. License activated. Refresh. And you can see the form mapping is here. Now, create your WordPress form using Contact Form 7, WP Forms, Fluid Forms, and you go to here, and then sample, I will close this one, save that one, and then get your webhook URL using make.com. Open the make.com, create new scenario, select webhooks, custom webhooks, add sample test, save, copy, add this to the clipboard, go back to your WordPress, right click, paste the webhooks, save, go to your website, contact us, sample data, sample email, random phone, test. Just make sure it's still reconnecting to your form. Go back to your form, submit form, go back to your market integrations, successfully determined. So it means it's connected. Save, right click, run this module, go back to your form, WordPress, refresh, test, testing, random numbers, test message, submit, go to make.com, and here you go. You received the submission form. You are now free to build any workflows you want. Send your data to Google Sheets, trigger an email campaign, connect to AI tools, CRM, WhatsApp, and Slack. Endless possible.